Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something powerful. LFE improvement things, simple yet life-changing habits that can level up your mindset, skills, and success. Let's jump right in. Number 1, read like your future depends on it. Because honestly, it does. Books are timeless wisdom wrapped in pages. When you read, you're having private conversations with the greatest minds in history. Whether it's business, mindset, or storytelling, the knowledge is all there, waiting for you to unlock it. Number 2, listen to podcasts. Your commute, workout, or even chores can become learning sessions. A good podcast can spark ideas, shift your perspective, and give you the kind of personal insights people pay for in coaching sessions. Number 3, take new courses. Instead of scrolling endlessly, invest in structured learning. A good course filters out the noise and gives you years of experience in a few hours. Whether it's online or offline, the right course can change your career, mindset, or even your life path. Number 4, practice old passions. Remember the things you loved doing but somehow forgot along the way? Maybe it was painting, writing, or playing an instrument. Reignite that fire. Doing what you love brings joy, clarity, and often leads to new creative breakthroughs. Number 5, get real feedback, not just praise. Compliments feel good, but feedback makes you better. Ask people you trust, how can I improve? It might sting, but that honesty is the fuel for growth. Number 6, work towards a goal. Don't just dream. Move. Even if it's just 1% better each day, progress compounds. Set your eyes on a clear goal and do one small action daily that brings you closer to it. Number 7, be open to change. Here's the truth. Nothing grows in your comfort zone. Improvement means adapting. Changing. Letting go of what no longer serves you and stepping into what challenges you. So there you have it, 7 simple things that can create massive change. Start small. Be consistent. And remember, your future self is watching you. Make them proud. If this inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this today. See you in the next video. Stay growing.